Well, there's not much going on these last few days. It's been so cold out. Anyhow, I thought I'd share something with you. One of my things. Here, I got a Walmart 50-cent apple pie. I put it in the bowl. They're pretty good pies. They're apple, but the crust is pretty chewy. And, well, anyhow, I'll put it in the microwave here a few seconds. Oh, we'll give it not too long time. Alright, then guess what I'm going to do with it. It's a real nice, a 75-cent snack. Go on. Come. Well, that's an interesting video. Watching a, look there, little apple pie going round. Alright, we got it. That just warmed it up a little bit. Now for the best part. I'll get me a spoon. Now, smash it all up. Because that crust is kind of chewy. Alright. Now, here's the best part. 25 cents worth of Walmart pudding. Well, I got most of it. The rest of it, we'll throw it down here in the doggy dish. Alright. Now, just kind of stir that up a little bit. And this makes a good snack. Alright. That's enough for now till I get this done. Well, here's something else I've been working on this cold weather. These old overalls is kind of getting a little bit falling apart. And I thought I'd try something. Already got these others done. Cut out some patches out of the legs of another old pair of pants. And got some glue. Oh, what is it? This fabric cement. Or adhesive. Anyhow, I glued it on there and gonna see how it works. Won't no more than fall off. And these old lined overalls, I got 2 or 3 pair of them, and last year up Tractor Supply they didn't have any, and they don't have any this year. And I checked Rural King on the computer, and they had them supposedly, but they said they're not available nowhere, so I guess I gotta fix up the ones I got. Oh, here's something. Here's an auction I'm going to. Greens, Green and Sons. Anyhow, you go on the internet, you can go along too, because they're going to do it all. Going to do it all on the internet. I don't know how I'm going to take pictures of people bidding on the internet, but we'll see. And I got a couple of sales to go to yet this month. Alright, that's enough.